Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wolfgang from Taitra, the show manager of TaipeiPLAS. It is my pleasure to introduce you Taiwan's plastics and rubber industry's status and TaipeiPLAS. In 2019, the global production value reached $43 billion. The top 6 export countries were Germany, China, Japan, Italy, United States, and Taiwan. The export value was $18.7 billion, accounted for 19% of global export value. The global market value reaches $568.7 billion. Compound annual growth rate was 3.5%. Global market scale is expected for over $790 billion in 2027. The top 10 countries that Taiwan plastics and rubber machinery exported to 2019 were China, Vietnam, Indonesia, United States, Japan, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Mexico, and Philippines. Taiwan's rubber and plastic industry targets to meet the 4 market trends. The industry applies intelligent automation in machinery, integrates smart manufacturing systems, use recycled and new materials, and introduce innovative 3D printing equipment. Taiwan has a comprehensive supply chain and cross-sector integration that enables Taiwan to produce machines with high cost performance ratio, high quality, and customized design. There are about 400 rubber and plastic machine makers in Taiwan, and 98% of them are small and medium enterprises. 19% of manufacturers located in Tainan, Taichung, and Hsinchu. The production value is about $1.4 billion. The main export machines is injection molding machine and then extruder, blow molding machine, and other machinery and parts. Now, let me introduce the 2020 Taipei International Plastics and Rubber Industry Show. It is also called TaipeiPLAS and it is co-organized by Taitra and TAMI. Taiwan's strong industry serves as a foundation for TaipeiPLAS to become one of the leading plastic and rubber trade shows in Asia and in the world. The biennual TaipeiPLAS will be held at Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center Hall 1 in September 9 to 13, 2020. A total of 400 exhibitors will occupy 2,200 booths, while the visitors from Taiwan and abroad are expected to reach 20,000 people. TaipeiPLAS will focus on 3 themes: Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and circular economy. The show will be focused on plastic and rubber processing machinery, packaging printing machinery, machines and equipment for recycling, molds and die, raw materials, industrial robots, 3D printers. TaipeiPLAS gathered world-renowned exhibitors and brands like Arbuk, Whitman Buttonfield, Engel, JSW, and many famous Taiwan plastic machine makers like FCS, Multiplus, Hualong, Polystar, and so on. We will plan 5 visiting routes during the show to help the visitor to find a proper supplier more efficiently. The routes are auto parts, 3D products, packaging, material, biotech, and medical and building material. Besides rigid displays, we will hold many activities during the show, such as the summit, procurement meetings, seminars, and product competition to reinforce the interaction and the cooperation between visitors and exhibitors. We will also provide well-rounded services to visitors, such as travel incentives for qualified foreign buyers, half-day guided tour, and of course shuttle buses between hotels and exhibition hall, and Taiwan Trade Show app to make visitors feel at ease when visiting the show. For the first time, Taipei Intelligent Machinery and Manufacturing Technology Show will join TaipeiPLAS and Taipei International Shoemaking Technology Show. This machinery series show will take up 3,300 booths and present smart manufacturing solutions and applications in the plastic, rubber, and shoemaking industry. We look forward to future cooperation with you. And where possible, whether it is related to exhibiting, visiting, or any kinds of participation in TaipeiPLAS, please feel free to contact us or your nearest Taitra overseas offices. In the end, I'd like to show you a video clip which includes the highlight and some interviews from the exhibitors and buyers. Thank you again for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you at TaipeiPLAS this September.
The Taipei International Plastics and Rubber Industry Show, TaipeiPLAS, ranks among the top events of its kind in Asia. TaipeiPLAS features high efficiency, precision, and intelligence, as well as energy-saving machines and products. All the features combined represent a well-rounded plastics and rubber supply chain that provides businesses with total solutions. Taiwan's plastics and rubber industry offers quality equipment and advanced innovative technologies. In response to the concepts of Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and sustainable development, it provides customers with the best possible manufacturing solutions.
我们的机械制造业都能够朝向自动化、全电式的配合工业4.0的需要，所以一定有非常远大的发展潜力。
I think Taiwan, as a smaller country, has the important part to develop new technologies to stay ahead of others.
Taiwanese always go fast, always lead in the industry. There are creative idea applications from here, and sometimes it's the first one in the whole global world.
Taiwan's plastics and rubber industry is highly competitive thanks to ceaseless technological innovation. It can thus provide international buyers with products of reliable quality at reasonable prices on a long-term basis.
Taiwanese products is relatively cheap in comparison to the European stuff, and quality is as good as the European machines.
Son productos que tienen una calidad, ya los conocemos, sobre todo las maquinarias, y que precio-beneficio nos han dado buenos resultados.
Taiwanese products usually have very good quality. If customer wants high quality machine and not so expensive, Taiwanese machines are a good option.
At the first TaipeiPLAS Summit, top executives of leading domestic and foreign companies and industry experts explored Industry 4.0 technologies and solutions and talked about the latest industry trends. TaipeiPLAS makes the best platform for seeking partners, expanding overseas markets, and securing reliable customers.
Actually, Taiwan is a very tough market for us. We see a big trend increasing the technology for production, and there is a big request and direction.
Taiwanese companies is really reliable, and products is stable. That's why I like to work with Taiwan.
这一次我们来的买主从非洲、欧洲、亚洲也都有蛮不错的回响。
从TaipeiPLAS 第一届到现在没有缺席过，以后我们也不会缺席。
TaipeiPLAS is a trade show not to be missed. You're cordially invited to come again in 2020.